Hi, I'm Kevin with the Pooli app, and I just finished unboxing and checking out the Betta 2023 SE model. Got the white version, it also comes in blue, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So first thing, it's a wireless model. It comes with a solar panel on top, and it charges this battery right here. You can see how easy it is to just flip a latch to open up to reveal this very large canister for leaves and debris, and this is about as big as my Alpha IQ Plus canister size, so it can hold plenty, and that's exciting. Let's turn it on and check out what happens. So you flip a big switch right here, and you can see it turns red up front and green, and it comes with some charge because you can see it's pushing these motors around, and then there's a little motor up front that is for the debris rotor up front. So it's got these little nice solid rubber bumpers that keeps it off the walls. It's supposed to navigate itself with this radar function. There's 4 cameras up front, so it's going to be positioning and moving itself in the pool. And if I do need to control it myself, it comes with this handy little remote control. It might be fun for the kids to push it around in the water too. So let's give it a shot in the pool and see what it does.
Right, after too long of a wait, we're gonna drop it in and see how this works.
So, first thing is, let's find that on button. Here's the on button. Let's see, it's not sunny out, so this will be a true test. It's paddling, top and bottom. First plunge. Let's see what it does.
Yeah, notice how it takes off going parallel the side of the pool here. I was amazed that it didn't just crash right into the side. It does a little turn and sort of fishtails around corners like that, real nice. And then it's off to the races. Like, it just keeps navigating around the side of the pool smartly, which is where most of the debris, tend to aggregate. And my dog took notice of it and started to sort of playfully interrogate it. This might be a good device for keeping ducks out of your pool as well, or driving your dog insane, like as you see Loki
You gonna go crazy?
trying to figure out what to make of this. But ultimately, they became fast friends, and you can see that definitely happened. It got caught.
Definitely caught.
Not once, but a few times on the chlorine float. But look at it gobble up the debris like that. I mean, you can really see how this thing makes short work of anything floating on the top of the pool. I noticed that things just don't get to the bottom of the pool anymore. So when I've got this thing running, there's very little need for my Alpha IQ Plus. As there's heavier debris that drops pretty quickly. Oh, there it got stuck again. And look, you really didn't like that. He's like, nope. But check this out. It does a little stop.
What's it gonna do?
I think it's
Can it get rid of it?
just kind of positioning itself
Gobble it up. Get rid of it. That way.
to get around obstacles, and it does a pretty darn good job. So it freed itself right there.
Obstacle. Good job. Bettabot. I still wouldn't put these two in. This chlorine float and the Bettabot together in a ring. Bettabot would probably eat it alive.
All right, it's been a couple months, and I am liking the Bettabot more and more. So does Loki. Loki approves and is now fast friends with the Bettabot. I will tell you, it doesn't run really well with the Alpha IQ Plus or any corded thing like this, because it tends to just gobble up the cord. They meet. It goes up underneath the blades here. It does get stuck. So I don't know if there's a contraption I can put on the front to keep the cord away, or what I do is I just separate the two. So I'll run one, the Alpha IQ, and then when there's stuff on the top or when it turns fall, it's just going to become really handy. So I quickly want to plug the Pooli app. This is the Pooli app, and you can see I just cleaned out the Bettabot, so I checked that one off my list. I also check off that I cleaned my other Robo vacuum, and I emptied my Skimmer baskets. Now, so I did some maintenance. Now I can go in and scan a test strip in and
This is for pool club members only, but this feature saves a ton of time when you go to add tests and then get test results. You can do this from the comfort of your own home. What you can see here is I put this on the color correct card. That's a Pooli invention right there that has all of these different colors that uses a key to take out the ambient light. You see I scanned it a little too quick there. I hit the rescan button and then boom, I got the results right here. Now you can tap any of those boxes to nudge the colors to be a little bit closer, but those look pretty spot on. So I just tap see results and then it will load me a full complete water report. And in that water report, it'll give you all of your dosages, all of the things that are high or low in the balance of your water. And you can even ask Pooli, there's a forum on there that's your test or your particular problems with your pool. Yeah, there's a ton of other features and awesome benefits. We just released Pooli 4.0, which contains a weather reporting feature that automatically adjusts your chemical balances for your upcoming weather alerts using some latest and greatest AI technology. But for the BettaBot, I really enjoyed the BettaBot. Ultimately, I would recommend this device. It does a superior job of cleaning the pool. It's wireless, it's solar. What could go wrong? It's very low maintenance too, I'll say that. And it does navigate around the inner tubes and floating devices. Did kind of struggle with the cord and the chlorine floater, but those are easy obstacles to avoid just by keeping them separated. So yeah, it was a great time reviewing. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like, give it a subscribe, and we'll catch you on the pool. Take care.